Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches, but make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, right? It will definitely motivate me to make more such content for you, and definitely the hiring opportunities will be helpful for you. So do subscribe this channel and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So coming to our first opportunity, so that is from Discovery. So you can see they are hiring for the role of software engineering intern summer 2022. The location mentioned is Bangalore, Pune. Right, let's explore further about this opportunity. So here they have given a sort of description about the organization. You can just go through it to get a proper understanding about the company, about the team as well. They have mentioned certain points, so just go through it, that what actually they have mentioned. So why internet discovery? So let's have a look on that. That in addition to building great products and creating some of the best content in the world, we have built a great team and culture. Our program offers unique experiences with tremendous opportunities for growth. Everyone is passionate about the work we do. Key features of the program they have specified are going to be one-to-one mentorship, tech speaker series, career coaching, global exposure, global network, long-term career prospects. What you need to know about the DTC Summer 2022 program application process is that our Summer 2022 program is 12 weeks long, commencing from May to July 2022. These internships, so internship is going to be a paid one. The application deadline is 19th of November, so make sure to apply before that. We do not require a cover letter. Please demonstrate your passion for the position through your resume. So interviewing will take place in the fall of 2021. A Discovery intern team member will contact you if your experiences and interest match an opening internship position. Due to the high volume of applications, we are unable to give individual status updates. So if you will be selected, you will get a call from their side. You will get a you will be getting some response from their side. If not, so nothing is going to be happen. Responsibilities they had mentioned is about the projects you may work on is like project may include building APIs, SVOD, streaming applications, commerce integration, designing products to prioritize security, developing and improving payment services, and more. Also, you will get an opportunity to think about scale, resiliency, and how to make your features production ready. Some other points has also been provided. Just go through it. Coming to the qualification, so in addition to academic qualifications, we are looking for interns who are ready, who are always curious and have a desire to learn. You'll need to have great attention to detail, but with a great sense of agility and scope. We look for engineers who are meticulous about operational and engineering excellence and take pride in understanding and owning features from design through to code. Well, here they have specified that you must have at least a 7.5 CGPA. You should be graduating in the year 2023, degree in computer science or related field. So this opportunity is for 23 batch. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Expedia. So Expedia is basically hiring for the role of graduate data engineer 1. This is an entry level opportunity. And you can see how many multiple applicants have already registered for the same. They have already applied for the same. So let's explore about this. So about the graduate program, they have mentioned team rotations, 2 6-month rotation within different teams in the same office to build a knowledge of our business and to across Expedia group divisions. Onboarding, so 1 week training that covers technical and professional skill plus an introduction to Expedia group. Learning series, leadership series, social events and networking. Support network benefits, certain other things has also been provided. So what you will be doing is that develop and test standard software application and related programs and procedures to ensure they meet design requirements. Maintain awareness of advancements, innovations, and changes in technology. Learn to think broadly, understand how, why, and when policies are standardized and when they differ across the organization. Understand the importance of system and technology integration. Collaborate with team members to co-develop and solve problems. Take advantage of opportunities to build new technical expertise in a specific. Now coming to the requirements. So you should be graduating this opportunity is for 2021 and 2022 batch with a degree in a technical subject like is computer science, computer engineering, software engineering, IT engineering, maths, physics, statistics, informatics, and information system, and certain other. Available to start on January 24th or August 22nd, 2022. You have moderate strength in at least one language, understand data patterns and storage, understand how functions created fit into team projects, understand lower complexity system, you can debug code, and other things has also been provided. So just go through it. Let's talk about our next opportunity. So that is from Infix. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Infix. So this is Infix Java Product Engineer Hiring Challenge, right? So about challenge, they have specified, you can see the challenge is already live. It has been started from 5th of November and will be closed at 21st of November. So make sure to participate in the same if you're interested and if your skill set are aligning with the same that they are actually looking for. So Infix Healthcare product provides innovative and scalable prior authorization and revenue cycle management solutions for healthcare providers, hospitals, imaging centers, and laboratories, combining intelligent cloud-based software driven by artificial intelligence and automation. Eligibility criteria they have specified is that years of experience, 0 to 4 years. So if you're just a fresher, you can apply for it, and even if you're having some sort of experience, then also you can participate in the same. So this opportunity is for 19, 20, 21, and even 2018 batches eligible. It's just if you're a fresher or experience even. So the skills needed is Spring Boot and Hibernate. Challenge format will be that one backend file upload type of question will be here, and you have to solve it out. Requirements they have specified is that you should be skilled in Java-related technology, including frameworks like Spring Boot, etc. Experience with multiple middleware technology, application servers, BPMS, VRMS, ESB. Experience with containerization, experience with NoSQL data stores, MongoDB, Redis, etc. Experience of the relational database engine, understanding of microservice patterns and concepts and their application in problem solving, experience with Git and version control standard practices, experience with agile development methodology, and certain other things they have mentioned. So if you're interested in that, and if you are having the skill set, the main and major skill set that they have mentioned, that is Spring Boot and Hibernate, make sure to apply for it. Okay, so here is our next challenge that is also from Infix itself. So that is going to be data structure hiring challenge. So if you are someone who's great at data structure, like if you have interest in data structure, then make sure to register for this particular hiring challenge. So as of now, it hasn't been started. It will be opened at 19th of November and will be closed at 28th of November. Duration is going to be 2 hours 30 minutes. And here you can see the eligibility criteria that they have specified is that 0 to 4 years. So again, if you're a fresher, you can apply for it, and if having some experience even, you can participate in the same. So 19, 20, 21 and even 2018 batch is eligible for it. Skills mentioned is Java and Python. So most probably, I think in the programming language, they will restrict it to. So here they have mentioned as well that language restriction is Java and Python. So these are the two languages that you have to use. So challenge format they have mentioned is that there are going to be 2 programming questions based on data structure itself, right? So here they have mentioned about the qualifications and skill required is experience with object-oriented object function scripting languages, advanced working SQL knowledge, experience building and optimizing big data, knowledge of Sprint and Scrum, experience in ETL application, strong analytical skill ranges to work with unstructured data sets, experience with AWS cloud services, writing and creating automation framework, experience with big data tools. About company as well, certain points has been given. You can just go through it. Even they have provided the sample challenge as well, so that you can get a sort of understanding that how the question and everything is going to be. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Be a part of our Telegram channel, and please guys share this video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these opportunities. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep planning, keep preparing. Bye bye.